Hey, what's happening? Paul Ingram here with Kali Center. I'm in the process of getting a quick core workout in, and I figured, hey, you know what? This would be a great opportunity to have you guys follow along with me to get a quick core workout in. Let's go ahead and do a set together. It's 4 exercises, okay? Very, very simple. Doesn't matter what your fitness level is, you can do this. I know you can do this. But working our core is really important. It's important for Filipino martial arts, for Kali, or really any martial arts, to have a strong and active core. Having a strong and active core is gonna help us in Filipino martial arts, in Kali, to deliver more power with our strikes, deliver more speed with our strikes, and also get a better recovery on our weapon. But not just that, working the core is also going to help us in the footwork department. We're going to have more faster, rapid, explosive footwork, better improved balance, and overall more endurance in our Kali game, in the performance. So we got 4 exercises. First exercise, we've got 20 reps. Second exercise, 10 reps. Third exercise, we've got 10 reps each side, and then the last one, we've got 20 reps. It's gonna go really, really quick. Just make sure that while we're doing these exercises, you keep the core engaged. Keep it tight, my friends, keep it tight. So let's go ahead and get into position for number 1. We're gonna go ahead and balance right here on our butt. Feet are not gonna touch the ground. We've got 20 Russian twists, just like this. 1, 2, just like that. Ready? So we got 20. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, 15, and 20. Now we're gonna go straight to our in and outs. Both hands are on the ground just like this. We got 10 in and outs. Right there, make sure your feet don't touch the ground, and then bring it back. We got 10. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, give it a squeeze. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we're gonna go into our kick throughs. Right foot is on the ground. Left hand is behind you. We're gonna bring our butt off the ground. So we're gonna be balancing right here. We can touch our toes, but once we get started, we can't touch the heel. We got 10 kick throughs. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch sides to the other side. Left foot on the ground. Right foot. Balance. We got 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kick it. Boom. You should know that one if you've trained C-Lock, my friends. Been a long time, but I trained C-Lock for many years. All right, 4th exercise. We got to use our core different. Use it with gravity a little bit differently. We're gonna come up into the push-up position. Excuse me, yum yum. And we're gonna touch opposite elbow and knee, just like this. Just like this. And we got 20 of them. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, squeeze it, 19, 20, woo! Right there. Nice and easy. 4 exercises. I know you can pump this out, especially if you just accomplished the first set with me. Now, I want you to go on your own and try to get at least 3 sets of this in. If you're feeling extra beast mode, then shoot for 5 to 6 sets, and that's gonna give you a great core workout. It's gonna be very beneficial to your Kali, your escrima, your arnis, your Filipino martial arts. If you wanna see more videos like this, where we're doing these kind of quick mini at-home workouts together just like this, make sure to tell me in the comments below, hit the thumbs up button, and of course make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to continue your training with me and let me help you reach your ultimate beast in Kali, in Filipino martial arts, make sure to head over to KaliCenter.com. Check out my online school, my DVD downloads. We got great training material for you to practice right here in your own home or at the park, anywhere that you'd like to go and train. You can also check out our one-on-one coaching, our one-on-one private lessons, our live stream classes that we have going on all over on our Patreon page. And if you need any Kali training gear, make sure to check out our online store. Everything is available over at KaliCenter.com. Got the links in the description below. So go finish out your sets, get that core strong and active. I'm gonna finish out mine right now, and I'll see you guys next time. Ready, Yum Yum? Oh, he's gone.